Introducing a new product into the market involves a lot of research and planning. A poor launch plan can lead to fewer sales or confused customers. Firstly, marketing research and developing a marketing plan is vital for your product launch. You need to have multiple approaches other than just managing your marketing campaign, marketing strategies, or just managing your existing product's market position. For a successful product launch, you need to have a specialized and well-developed marketing plan. Once the schedule is ready, make sure the plan is reviewed and make any adjustments if required. The next step would be testing the product and checking on the message you give to the consumers. Demonstrate the features and qualities of your new product to already existing customers. Once the product is launched, you need to periodically keep measuring the progress and maintain communication with customers to get direct feedback about the product. Pre-launch research is vital to any company before launching any new product into the market. Few steps involved in pre-launch research include creating pre-launch buzz. In order to excite customers about your product, you need to make sure certain buzz is created in the market about your brand and product. Buzz can be created by offering a sneak peek about the features of your product to influence customers. Few companies even come up with pre-launch parties, contests, or even conferences to promote the product and provide product demonstration. Media planning. Media campaigning is crucial for promoting your new product. The main focus of a media campaign should be explaining why your product is unique, promoting your product's benefits, identifying target customers, and highlighting competitive pricing aspect of your product. All these aspects should be a part of your marketing strategy while promoting through print, broadcast, and web-based media venues. Social media outreach. Online promotions should be a part of your marketing campaign. Promoting through social media is increasingly popular these days, which enables you to interact with customers. Through social media posts, you can include videos or images and give a product description as well. Blogs or any other interactive discussion can encourage people to provide their potential feedback on your product. Launch in a fully prepared manner. You need to be capable of handling a high number of orders at the time of launching. Be prepared by having correctly trained salespeople and customer service representatives. There are three main phases involved in launching a product successfully in the market: the pre-launch stage, the launch stage, post-launch stage. The key elements and strategies involved in each stage for launching a successful product into the market are as follows. 1. The pre-launch stage. Understand your market. With a new product launch plan ahead, you need to understand the market position and customer preferences. Make sure you know the customer's likes and dislikes, what products worked or didn't work in the market, and the new qualities in your product that make it unique from competitors. These are essential points to take into consideration to understand the market. Have a specific target market. Once you get a proper understanding of your market, you will have appropriate knowledge of your specific target market and their needs and preferences. To serve or cater to their needs, understand who your target audience is, and their likes and preferences are vital to your business. Market positioning statement. This is a product message or idea that has information about your product's qualities and features. To create a market position, you need to communicate about your product clearly to the customers. It elevates your sales. Prepare your target audience for the launch. This is the step in which PR campaign is developed to promote your product and build credibility. PR campaigning is an important step which will have a positive impact on your target group. Secure legal approval. Ensuring that you have all your legal and regulatory documents checked and approved by the legal team is the most integral part of your entire product launch plan. Legal approval will save you from any future trouble or issues. 2. The launch stage. Choose the right medium. Identifying and choosing the suitable communication mode to communicate with your target group is the central part of your marketing campaign. It would be best if you were easily accessible by the audience. Activate your team. Keep your sales team organized and prepared for your launch. Train them well and monitor their progress in the way they are leading sales operations. Interact with the press and influencers. During the launch of your product, make sure to have a special interactive session with the media and influencers personally. Interaction will give a boost to your product launch. 3. The post-launch stage. Maintain momentum. Once the product launch process is over, make sure to conduct regular meetings with staff to check the progress and always keep your staff and sales team motivated. Make sure to reach customers regularly by updating new content about your products regularly on social media. Evaluate your market plan once your product starts progressing in the market. Revisit your market plan, evaluate the process and results. Evaluating provides you insights on which areas you need to improve and what are the processes that are required in order to added for the next launch. Maintain success. Maintain your success by being easily accessible to customers, and keeping all modes of feedback channels open. Keep them updated regularly through social media posts and interactions. For a successful product launch, you need to have a proper plan and execute it well. The above-mentioned elements come together to make your product successful in the market. Concluding thoughts. Each new product launch is a challenge for any business. There are many approaches to make the launch successful. In this heavy competitive environment, each product needs to be launched in a very well-planned and organized manner. Organizations need to consider many vital elements in different product launch stages to make the product launch and campaign successful. Every time they companies up with a new launch, they also need to develop unique ways to approach the customers and have proper knowledge about existing market conditions. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.